I bought this planer about a year ago. It's the JP20, also known as the 208HH. So I can give you my long-term thoughts on it, how it's doing in the wood shop, but this is the big 20-inch model with the helical head. The cast iron tables are really sturdy and they offer plenty of in-feed and out-feed support. I should mention right off the bat that this machine uses a 5-inch dust collection port. While you could, I suppose, run it with an adapter down to a 4-inch, I really recommend going with a full 5-inch dust port to take advantage of the excellent dust collection. That large metal hand wheel just screams quality and it's really easy to adjust. The machine weighs over 750 pounds, so it's nice if you put it on a mobile base. It's got a magnetic power switch, which is a nice safety feature on planers. Have a listen to the no-load sound of the motor. That walnut came out perfectly smooth. Looks really good. Let's try some white oak. Even this tricky quarter sawn white oak, no tear out at all. Looks really smooth. Overall, the things I've noticed on this machine is the cut quality is really excellent thanks to that big helical head. But also the dust collection with that 5-inch port is just amazing. You almost forget there's any dust coming off the machine until you check the bin in your dust collector. The power of the 5-horsepower industrial motor is just amazing, and you can take full 16th-inch passes and it never bogs down. So after a full year in the shop, I can definitely say that I highly recommend this planer, especially the one with the helical head.